Hello friends, welcome back for the lecture series of engineering mechanics. I am Professor Pratap N. Shinde. Welcome you for the lecture series of engineering mechanics. We are now in fourth unit. Today we are going to solve some numericals of analysis of cables. So the first numerical, cables ABC supports two loads as shown. Knowing that B is equal to 6.4 meter, determine the required magnitude of the horizontal force P and the corresponding distance A. So this cable is given, A, B, C is given. So it consists of the load at point B 623 Newton, at C 801 Newton, and at A there is a hinge support. So we have to find out the distance A, and this distance B is given 6.4, as well as they have asked us to find out the force P. The height between point A and B, or the slag between AB, is given 3.66 and B to C is given 2.743 meter. This distance vertical dB and this vertical distance is, let's say, DC from the point A. Okay, so first step, to draw the free body diagram of the cable. So this is the free body diagram of the entire cable, where I have replaced the support by the two reactions. So the two reactions are, one is in horizontal HA and one is in vertical at joint A, that is VA, and this is your A, and this is your B is given 6.4. The distance between AB is 3.66, B to C 2.743. we have to find out P and we have to find out this A. So apply the condition of equilibrium for entire cable. First, horizontal components are equal to 0. So what are horizontal components? Minus HA is minus, and plus P is equal to 0. So minus HA is equal to minus P. So HA is equal to P. This is the equation, first equation. Now summation of f of y is equal to 0. What are the forces? There are the different forces are in y direction. First one is VA minus 623 minus 801, which is equal to 0. So after solving this equation, you will get VA is equal to 1424 kilonewton. Now VA is known to us, one vertical reaction is known to us. Now if we take the moment about point A, so we can able to find out the P. Okay, because the DC is known to us and dB is also known to us. So first write down the equation of moment about A for the entire cable. So first, P into vertical distance is DC. What is that distance? 3.66 plus 2.74, that comes out to be 6.4. So P into this vertical distance is 6.4, and it will create the moment at point A. If you observe that, it will create the moment in which sense? P will create the moment in anti-clockwise sense, therefore it should be a, so here I have assumed the sign minus. Okay, anti-clockwise is minus. You can choose the sign as per your convenience. So minus P into 6.4, and this 623 into this distance is A, and 801 into 6.4, and the sign is positive because it will create the moment in clockwise sense. So you can use either clockwise positive or anti-clockwise positive. तर यांनी काही फरक पडत नाही मित्रांनो, लक्षात ठेवा. पण लक्षात ठेवायचं, तुम्ही एकदा प्रॉब्लेममध्ये क्लॉकवाईज पॉझिटिव्ह आणि अँटी क्लॉकवाईज पॉझिटिव्ह, क्लॉकवाईज पॉझिटिव्ह घेतलं आणि अँटी क्लॉकवाईज निगेटिव्ह घेतलं की ते शेवटपर्यंत तेच साइन कन्व्हेन्शन कॅरी करायचं आहे, मध्येच बदलायचं नाही आहे. ओके, so here I have assumed clockwise is positive and anti-clockwise is negative. So minus 6.4p plus 623. If I take this on the right hand side, we will get 5126.4. Let's say this is my equation number x or 1. Okay, this one equation is given. We will get the value of p and a. Okay, so there are the two unknowns p and a. So here VA is known to us. So while applying the condition of equilibrium for entire truss, we will get the value of VA and one equation which is in terms of p and a. Now this second. Cut the cable at point B. Consider the free body diagram of the right side. Cut the cable at point B. I have cut the cable at point B and consider the free body diagram on the right hand side of the cable. So here again I will apply the condition of equilibrium at B, that is moment about B. So P into this vertical distance is 2.743. So P into 2.74, it will create the moment anticlockwise, so it is minus. Then this 623, it is passing through point B, so it will not create any moment. Then this 801 into 6.4 minus A, because we know that this total distance is 6.4. From that, if we minus the A, so this distance is 6.4 minus A. So we have considered only this much portion of the cable. Okay, so this 6.4 minus A. Now we have take the moment about A. Okay, so from that you will get the another equation between P and A. So if you solve the previous equation and this equation, you will get the value of P simultaneously, because in that equation P and A is unknown, in this equation P and A is also unknown. So two equation, two unknowns. Solve that two equation, two unknowns simultaneously, you will get the P 1068.27 and A 2.74 meter. Okay, now come towards the next problem, that is last problem of unit cable. Two loads are suspended as shown in figure from cable ABCD, knowing that DC, that is sag, is 0.75. This sag is given 0.75. Determine the distance dB. This we have to find out. Determine the distance dB, the reaction component at A and the reaction component at D. That two also we have to find out. Maximum tension in the cable, we have to find out this angle theta, or just we can find out dy and ay. From that also we can find out maximum tension in cable. Okay, now consider the equilibrium of whole cable. So here I have considered the equilibrium of whole cable. I have replaced this support by these two reactions, dx and dy, ax and ay. Okay, so write down the equation of equilibrium. Summation of f of x is equal to 0. So you will get ax is equal to dx. So now if you observe that ax and dx both are equal, so we can directly compare these two values ay and dy, whichever is more in between ay and dy, so that will carry the more टेन्शन इन दॅट पार्ट. जर ए वाय मोठा आला तर ए बी पोर्शनमध्ये जास्त टेन्शन येईल, आणि जर डी वाय मोठा आला तर सी डी पोर्शनमध्ये टेन्शन जास्त येईल, कारण ए एक्स आणि डी एक्स बोथ आर सेम फ्रॉम दिस इक्वेशन. ओके, नाउ समेशन ऑफ एफ ऑफ वाय, जर ते इक्वल नसतील तर त्यावेळेस तुम्हाला याची रिझल्टंट फाइंड करावं लागेल आणि मग ते कम्पेअर करावं लागेल. अदरवाइज देर इज नो नीड टू find out the resultant also. Okay, if they have asked to find out the maximum tension, in that case you have to find out R of D. So that is, this is the resultant of dx and dy. Now therefore ay plus dy, summation of f of y equation, so this is plus ay minus plus ay plus dy, addition of these two will give the 5.25 kilonewton, or minus 2.25 minus 3, so that is equal to 0. So ay plus dy is equal to 5.25 kilonewton. Let's say this is equation number 1. then we have to take the moment about point A. यहाँ पे moment लेना है हमें. So what is the moment? Force into distance. Now here I have choose the different sign convention. Here I have choose the clockwise is negative. So 3 into perpendicular distance is 2. So 3 into 2. Then 2.25. This is 2.25. Force into perpendicular distance is 4. 2.25 into 4. The sign is minus. Why? Because again it will create the moment in clockwise sense at point A. And then dy into total distance is 5. So dy into 5. This dx will not create any moment because it is passing through point A. dx point A मधनं पास होतोय, मग perpendicular distance काय झालं 0, म्हणून moment create करत नाही dx. So we will get from this equation dy. Once dy is known, so ay also we can able to find out ay and dy. So here if we consider ay and dy, okay, so which will carry the maximum tension? Obviously dy will carry the maximum tension, sorry, CD will carry the maximum tension. Okay, we'll come towards that next part. Consider the equilibrium of joint D. Now if we consider the equilibrium of this joint D, so tan of theta is equal to 0.75 upon 1. So this angle is, you will get 37 degree. Summation of f of y is equal to 0. So what are the forces in y direction here? dy, and this is the, I will draw the free body diagram of this joint D. This angle is, we have find out, is 37, and this force in member CD or DC, one and the same. Okay, so summation of f of y, this is dy and this is your dx. So dy minus f of CD sine of 37 is equal to 0. So substituting that value, you will get the value of f of DC or CD 4.67 kilonewton. Summation of f of x, from that you will get the value of dx, so 3.57. So dx is known to us, dy is known to us. So from that you can find out the tension in the cable maximum is, the tension in the cable maximum is CD, or that CD tension CD is equal to DC 4.67. Okay, as here I have written over there, as dx is equal to ax, so maximum tension in cable can judge by comparing ay and dy. As dy is greater than ay, so tension in portion CD is more than AB, and that value we have already find out. What is that value? 4.67. So this 4.67, and if you find out the under root of dy and dx square, you will get the same value. So you can find out tension RD is equal to, from the equation, under root of dy square plus dx square. Substitute that value, you will get RD, and it must be equal to this 4.67, or you can directly write down maximum tension is 4.67 kilonewton. Now we have to find out this distance, vertical distance. So for that I have cut this cable at this point B, at joint B. I have cut the cable and take the equilibrium of the left hand side of the section. I have considered left hand side of the cable from joint B. Okay, now at joint B there are the two unknowns, but which are passing through the point. This is your point B, it is passing through point B. Take the moment about B. So what is the moment at B? Ax into distance dB and ay into distance 2 meter. So ax into dB, it will create the moment in anti-clockwise, therefore positive, and ay will create the moment in negative direction or clockwise sense, therefore negative, and this perpendicular distance 2. So you will get Ax is 3.75 into dV minus 2.25, Ay is known to us, is equal to 0. So from that you will get the value of dV 1.2. So vertical distance is also known to us by considering that only portion and moment equation. So when you have to find out the vertical distance or horizontal distance, in that case the moment equation is required, because only that equation which carries the distance. In summation of Fx and Fy you can able to find out the forces in the members. So thank you for watching, friends. Hope you have enjoyed the today's lecture.